Hi everyone, my name is Joey Kabi and I'm a backend engineer at Secure. Today I'm going to talk about our new experimental feature called static reachability. So, what does dependency reachability means? A dependency that's been imported to a package manager such as PyPy, Pip, or Maven, and it's actively being used in the customer's code is referred as reachable dependency. So what it means that we have here two conditions that must be met. One of them, the dependency will be imported, and the other one, that it will be actively used in the code. So how does it work? Dependency reachability process via the CI/CD. The first step is we're going to run Gymnasium. It will output a CycloneDX format report that contains all of the customer's dependencies. The second step is we are going to run GitLab Advanced SAST with built-in SCA rules. This has to be a post-build step, and it will output a JSON format that be listing only the dependencies that are actively used in the customer's code. The last step is we are enriching the CycloneDX results. We are trying to match between the dependencies of Gymnasium report and GitLab Advanced SAST report by comparing the package name, version, and language. We will add this information to the CycloneDX report. I have a couple of notes here that says, the feature currently supports Python and Java dependencies only, and it is accessible via API with the UI changes planned in the future development. So I'm going to show an example now. I have here a really simple Python project with only main.py file that contains two dependencies. One of them is request, the other one is YAML. And as you can see, we are actively using only request by doing request.get. So what I'm expecting to see in my code in the reachability feature in the last report, I'm expecting to see that request is being used. So in order to run it via CI/CD, you have to add two variables. One of them is GitLab Advanced SAST enabled with the value of true, and static reachability enabled with value true as well. So I have here a run that already happened with running the entire process. As you can see, we have Gymnasium running, and then we have GitLab Advanced SAST running, and then we're doing the enrich of the CycloneDX results. I'm going to show you now two of the results. One of them is the Gymnasium Python dependency scanning before we did the matching part and running the GitLab Advanced SAST. So as you can see here, we have CycloneDX result, and we have PyYAML as a component with reachability says it's unknown, just because in this stage, we don't know anything about the reachability of a package. So it's been unknown, and the most important one is that request is being unknown as well as a reachability because we don't know what's going on yet. After we are running the reachability process, we are getting the same CycloneDX result, but as you can see, PyYAML reachability is still unknown because, as we said, we just imported to the code and we are not using it, so it won't be flagged as in use. But when I'm looking at request, you can see that its value is in use. This feature is pretty important just because we can show our customer advanced data about what package is being imported in their code and which package is being in use in the code. And if one of those packages has a vulnerability in it, we can show this information and help our customer to fix their code. I hope that makes sense. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.